All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information on cryptocurrency, mining cryptocurrency, buying cryptocurrency, staking cryptocurrency, using that BlockFi credit card to get your rewards back in cryptocurrency. Today, we're going to be talking about AMP. Are you amped up about the AMP token? Well, you should be, because all kinds of things are going to be happening with this AMP. We're going to go over some price predictions of what we think the prices are going to look like in December and just in a few months out. Do me a favor, don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. So, again, one of my things is I can't wait till everybody on the planet has cryptocurrency. Do me a favor, make sure you share this video with people that are not into cryptocurrency. But one day, everybody's going to have cryptocurrency on this planet. Now, what is it going to be? Is it going to be AMP coin? Is it going to be Shibu Inu coin? Is it going to be Litecoin, Dogecoin? What's it going to be? But cryptocurrency isn't going anywhere. So we're going to dig in a little bit about the AMP coin and the predictions. Let's go ahead to AMP. All right, let's talk about the AMP price prediction right here, crypto news. So what's the prediction of AMP? So basically in the year of 2020, a significant contribution by DeFi to the entire world, not because they're not only the recent player during the pandemic, but because not many of them chose the operation of a different network alone. Standing in a class apart in terms of origin and performance, AMP is known to run on Flexa network, collateralizing payments as a digital token. You know, here's AMP's overview. The price right now is trading at about 5 cents. We're going to actually go over that a little bit today too. In the last 7 days, the price is down 16%. In the last 24 hours, it's down 2.16%. So guess what? This looks like the time that things are going to be happening here. It's down a little bit. Going down here, an all-time high was 12 cents, and we know that all-time high was back in June. It says, what makes AMP unique? Flexa Network native coin AMP has made an instant payment authorization possible, cutting short's process of transaction. It is the user's privilege that they can stake and guarantee on any form of value exchange, be digital payment, a fiat exchange, loan distribution, property sales, and even more. You know, so AMP's going to be doing all these different things with Flexa. A dedicated league of consultants and investors has an AMP, the network native coin, co-developer by Flexa Network, an idea of transform into a revolutionary ERC20 token. So again, if we know about the AMP, have you ever thought about being in the grocery store and paying for your goods and services with cryptocurrency? Probably not. And the reason is because it's not as, there's a couple of things that are flaws with it. How do you transfer it to your grocery store? How about the time that it takes for it to actually confirm? We know that when you do the transaction, it shows up within seconds, but the blockchain, it takes about 30 to 60 minutes for it to actually get coded in there. So there's a time, also to transfer it from which currency, and then also the gas fees. I mean, if somebody's buying $20 or $30 in groceries, it's going to be kind of hard to pay $20 in groceries and a $20 gas fee. Now, AMP and Flexa Network makes all this possible. This is going to be way, way better. So let's go back and jump back in. So going over here with some price predictions. So here's this reading a couple. Based on AMP's price predictions, a long-term increase is expected. The price of 2026 is almost 50 cents. Well, it's at 5 cents right now. This would be a 10x with the 5-year investment. That's what they're at the wallet investors saying. That's around a 510% increase over 5 years. Long forecast, and it says the maximum was 14 cents, and then the minimum was 12 cents. Okay, at the beginning, this is what long forecast is saying. At the beginning of December this year coming up, it says that AMP should be around 14 cents, so it's trading at 5 cents right now, or a maximum of 14 cents and a minimum of 12 cents, 12.4 is the AMP price for the month. Or at least around 13.6%. AMP's price forecast at the end of the month will be 13.3 cents. Again, it's trading at 5 cents right now. That's only a few months away. CoinSkid, AMP's crypto forecast. At the start of December 2021, the AMP price will be right around 10 cents, which again is a 2x. The maximum price would be 12 cents. Yeah, if it's 12 cents and it's 5 cents right now, that's a 2x. That's pretty good. What is it, a couple months, December? And then it says a minimum price of 8 cents. So again, it's trading at 5 cents, and they're saying a minimum price of 8 cents. The average AMP price of December is going to at least be 10 cents. AMP, and again, this is CoinSkid saying this. So we'll go down here. The coin price prediction, AMP in 2021 was trading at 1 cent. AMP is now basically trading at, they're going to say 7 cents. By the year at the end of 2021, it's going to be trading at 21 cents. That's a 4x. We'll do one more here. Pick a crypto. Through the current trends, investors say the overall direction of the crypto market, we think AMP has a long-term earning potential and a good chance to visit 30 cents to $1. This coin's trading at a nickel right now. Yeah, if it's trading at a nickel and it's going to go up to 10 cents to 30 cents, holy it's going to be going. Now again, here at Frank's Crypto Corner, don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. All our information here on the channel are for educational purposes only. With that, let's go ahead and head over to the top 10 and talk a little bit about AMP on the market. So starting off over here, I actually want to start off at AMP. AMP's number 59th cryptocurrency in the world. It's right here at 5.03 cents. In the last 7 days, it's actually down 15%. In the last 24 hours, it's down 1.5%. I mean, down 15%, and what all these predictions are saying, 10 cents, 10 to 30 cents. Definitely pay attention to this. So right there at number 59. Oh, take a look at this. Shiba Inu is at 55. It's a couple. So if you're paying attention to AMP, Shiba Inu is right there above it. So you can actually keep an eye on both of these coins. All right, over here at the top 10, Bitcoin is actually trading at 45,000. It's down about 13% in the last 7 days. I'm going to take my guess that Solana's up and look at everything else. Ethereum is down 15% in the last 7 days, trading at 33.05. Cardano is actually down 14% in the last 7 days, trading at $2.40. Tether is right there at number 4. Binance Coin is 19% down in the last 7 days. The coin's trading at about $400. XRP is down 21% in the last 7 days. It's trading at $1.07. There's Solana. Oh, Solana is actually up in the last 24 hours, but in the last 7 days it's down 2%. It looks like their price is at $166, so it's right there at $166. Polkadot is at number 8. It's actually trading at $34.50. It's up about 1.71%. The Dogecoin is at number 9. It's down 22%. It actually creeped below 24 cents right here, guys. 23.6, 23 cents. So if you're a Doge lover or a Shiba Inu lover, those two coins you want to be taking a look at. Number 10, we got USD coin. Uniswap is at number 12. Where's our Bitcoin Cash at? Bitcoin Cash is at number 17. It's down 20% last 7 days. It's trading at about $617. All right, talking about the Flexa adoption, whether it's family-owned business or e-commerce giant, Flexa is always looking to partner with new merchants. The latest addition is Shopify, one of the most popular e-commerce platforms in the United States. Currently, the Flexa plugin for Shopify is in a beta testing. However, a full release is expected later in 2021. Once this happens, all Shopify merchants will have the option to easily accept crypto payments. This is going to change everything. Flexa and AMP. Flexa is also working with Sheetz, a mid-Atlantic convenience store with more than 500 locations. Sheetz is one of the Flexa largest partners to date. Sheetz is even planning on integrating Flexa into the fuel pumps so the customers can pay for gasoline with crypto, a cool vision of the near future. Across the United States, Flexa is integrating with more than 40,000 merchants that are growing. All right, so I kind of wanted to go over this. Here's what a Sheetz gas station store looks like. I mean, this is a pretty big store, and if they're going to basically start accepting cryptocurrency at the pump, they're talking about it with Flexa Network. I mean, I don't know. There's a lot. The Sheetz store here is just, it's amazing. I mean, take a look at this. So, also a world of crypto payments. By leveraging a decentralized network to AMP stakers, Flexa gives merchants a way to accept instant crypto payments. Flexa can easily be added to most existing point-of-sales terminals. No special hardware is required. Why Bitcoin's Lightning Network and Ethereum's networks are great solutions to problems of fast crypto payments. Flexa works right now, and it doesn't require any additional blockchain development. The rising tides lift all boats, and a better that Flex and Amp do. The more people will have chances to buy a cup of coffee with Bitcoin. So one of the things, again, I want to talk about Flexa here. This is the Flexa in El Salvador with Banco partners with Flexa to enable Bitcoin accepted across El Salvador. So again, Flexa is going all over the planet. El Salvador is selecting Flexa to power Bitcoin payments for the bank clients and services. So when you think of Sheetz, gas stations, and stores, and they're going to be actually putting a possible Flexa in there, and they're going to be doing crypto payments for their donuts and their gasoline and their cigs. I mean, okay, so that's going on. El Salvador is now working with Flexa, the coin, the predictions. What's my prediction? Again, all our information is for educational purposes only, but I'm going to be the simple, and I'm going to say, I know in June it went to 12 cents. It's at 5 cents right now. It's down right this second. This is the time. I'm thinking that it's going to at least do the 12 cents by the end of the year and go back. I know that one prediction was 10 to 30 cents, 10 cents, 15 cents. But I mean, holy cow, everybody. You know, if you look at all the different things that Flex is doing and look at all the different things that Amp's doing, and how this is going to make it possible. Don't forget, when the customer wants to pay, they're going to go on the Spend the app and they're going to say Dogecoin. And then the next store, they're going to say, I'm going to pay with Shiba Inu. And the next thing I'm going to pay with Litecoin. So the customer selects the cryptocurrency they want to pay, and then the merchant actually accepts the money in whatever cryptocurrency they want to accept it in. So we can pay with Dogecoin, and they can accept it in Shiba Inu. Now, the AMP token comes into play if the payments don't happen, and it needs to be collateralized. So, again, thank you for watching Frank's Crypto Corner. We're bringing you all kinds of news and information on AMP Coin. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Go ahead and click right here so you can see our most recent video about Shiba Inu. And the next thing is, too, again, my vision for every single person on the planet to have cryptocurrency. Share this video with people. Comment in the bottom. Let's get everybody knowing about cryptocurrency. And you know what? You guys have an awesome day today. Let's go out and talk about some cryptocurrency.